Okay, we're looking at the Bartesian unit here today. It's about a $325 machine you can buy on Amazon and various retailers. It's going to make us the perfect cocktail. So in order to do that, you have these 4 chambers that you fill with whiskey, tequila, vodka, and gin or rum. The machine will prompt you which one is needed for the drink you're making. And you get these little capsules. I find that the best deal I can find on these is roughly $2.50 a capsule, but it's got all the other ingredients needed to make a perfect various cocktail that you'd find. Cosmopolitans, upscale rocks, old fashions, margaritas, whiskey sour. I'm actually going to do a Long Island iced tea for this trial run, so I've put my capsule right here in the machine, kind of like a Keurig, and we're going to follow the prompts and watch how this works. They want you to use a highball glass, which I have a highball glass, but I think I'm just going to use my pint glass regardless. Has rum been installed? Since this one is an either or, it does in fact have rum, so I'm going to prompt it that we do have rum. We're going to do a regular mix. You can do strong, light, or mocktail, non-alcohol version. As you can see, it's going to be pulling from the various cocktail liquor bottles in a specific proportion. Now here it goes with my tequila, and it is mixing it with that premix in order to make a perfect cocktail. A couple of the things I noticed right out of the gate is that I needed to make a cold beverage, so I recommend using clear ice. If you don't have a clear ice maker like a Scotsman, you might want to buy ice from the store. In the water reservoir back here, I would add ice because that's going to ensure that the cocktail is actually at the right serving temperature for what you might want. But this here is the Bartesian, and this is my Long Island iced tea. Perfect mix. We don't carry this at Kitchen Foundry, but feel free to stop by our website for any other appliance needs you might have. Pretty excited about this machine. First cocktail came out delicious. Can't wait to try some more. Cheers. Open the lid and remove the capsule. So here you have our expired Long Island iced tea capsule. And so we're ready to move on to another drink.